In this video, you'll learn how to create a Microsoft Bookings link from start to finish so people can easily schedule time with you without all the back and forth emails. Let's begin right at the source. Open your web browser and go to book.jms. This address takes you directly to Microsoft Bookings. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft account. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the main bookings page where you can see your existing meeting types, if you have any, and options to create new ones. On this main screen, you'll notice sections labeled public and private. Public meeting types are visible to anyone who has your bookings page link, while private ones are only accessible to people you share the direct link with. Take a moment to think about which option makes sense for this meeting. For example, if it's a general consultation or a casual check-in you're comfortable sharing widely, public is usually fine. If it's something more restricted, like an internal team meeting or a client-only slot, private is a safer choice. Once you've decided, look for the plus sign in that section. It's a small plus icon, and clicking it is how you create a new meeting type. Go ahead and click the plus sign in either the public or private section, depending on your needs. A configuration window or page will open, and this is where you define what this meeting is all about. Start by giving it a clear, simple title. For example, you might call it 15-min catch-up. Use a name that tells people exactly what they're booking with you, like intro call, project review, or office hours. A descriptive title helps set expectations and makes it easier to manage multiple meeting types later. Next, look for the option to toggle a Teams meeting on or off. Turn this toggle to on. Enabling this setting tells Microsoft Bookings to automatically generate a Microsoft Teams video link every time someone books this meeting type. That way, you don't have to create a separate meeting link manually. It's included right in the calendar invite that gets sent to both you and the person booking the time. After that, set the duration for your meeting. This is how long each appointment slot will be. Since the example title is a 15-min catch-up, you might choose 15 minutes here, but you can adjust it to whatever makes sense, 30 minutes, an hour, or any other length that fits the purpose of the meeting. Choosing a consistent duration helps keep your schedule predictable and easier to manage. Then review and adjust your availability for this meeting type. By default, Microsoft Bookings uses the work hours from your Outlook calendar, so if you've already set those up, they'll carry through here. You can leave them as they are, or fine-tune the days and times when this specific meeting can be booked. For instance, you might only want quick catch-up calls on certain afternoons or avoid early mornings. Making these adjustments here helps prevent double booking and protects your focus time. Once you've set the title, enabled Teams, chosen the duration, and confirmed your availability, you're ready to generate the link. Look for the Save button and click it. When you save, Microsoft Bookings creates that meeting type and produces a unique booking link associated with it. After saving, you'll see an option to copy or share the link. This is your Microsoft booking link. You can paste it into emails, add it to your email signature, share it in chat, or post it on your website so people can easily schedule a time with you based on the rules you just set.